Okay. Aren't my favorite city. This is our room. Small anyana kitchen. The bathroom. That's Carol. The bathroom here. This is the view from the bathroom. So yeah. My city, my city, I love my city. Get that oh. Delete and some stuff. Delete. Delete man.
Oh my guys, so little bit delete like what?
Guys, ngigaina ngathi ngiyakuhlala. Ngidla amaphilisi okuhlala.
Nokulala. Ukudla nokulala. Okay. Engicela nje ngizodelete iphilisi. Sengidelete.
Sikuphi? Wasibane egoli we.
Bathi
Funa egoli we. Wasibane egoli we.
One day you leave this world behind, so live a life you will remember.
But they low key like hating on me because they don't show me. I'm one of the two or low key or beefa now. But I'll put a phone ukutshengisa because my uyayibona potential yakho.
Yebo. Kodwa manje ingakhe une-pride
akafuna umdlule but manje ubambelele ulibele kulindile ukuthi okay because okubona mhlambe if ungaposta something I can say mhlambe if ungaposta mhlambe ngino Rihanna or this event like kuyinto nje enkulu like wonke umuntu uzofuna uzokhomenta like wonke umuntu ufuna ukubonakala ukuthi yes but kuzini izinto mhlambe busapusha maybe for an example I can post upoison itha sephumile ikhiphe ezintsha njengale angoma le like hlezi yabo mina ngiyathanda music ngiyathanda entertainment but then ngihlezi ngazi ukuthi yini le good kuyona so ngiyathanda ukuba versatile like ngizama into ezintsha explore because yabo I want to like find myself. Luckily, how Baba Gamelo, Bani studio and everything, and I always say like, please, bro, I'm gonna record something. So there was this one time, Auntie, no, it's fine. Get back. It's me balela. Auntie, no, balela bushule. Imagine because that song, my lyrics now balela. So nje I record the lango.
Okay.
Yeah. That song. I love the song, and for me, umuntu ongakawenza music, it's like very unexpected. It was like everyone, okay. But I did get like abantu abamathi because I'm from opinion. But I know Carol like yabo sayibona potential as much as very yabo angilone. And for you, how it now because you were the only one. Wathi nje la kwi-comment okay ngiyababona ke laba abantu ngikhuluma nabo ku-WhatsApp but sengiyabasho nje abanye abantu just imagine to manje since like I know beside ukuthi like angazi noba I can say mhlawumbe ngenza ingoma enthuyo vesane i-recognize mhlawumbe abantu abakhulu nje abangaba expecting for an example like Master KG for an example because vele okangenzile ivideo shout out to Makhoba. Anyway, kumakhoba because basho uthi okay ibedeka Carol kanje so Master KG wangenze like ivideo. Yeah. So sengiyasho ukuthi kuthiwa ngiyayenza into manje. Mhlawumbe ikhona zo Master KG because sometimes it's not even about the song. Yabo it's about you aura yakho. Yabo khona abanye abantu abanama brand abaningi but khona abantu engibona ukuthi lento actually style sabo lesengisenza but umuntu nawo ozongishuthela yabo but because imina yabo because you supporting your friend yabo khona abantu abakanjalo. So nje I talk about those people who are just monitoring you. Monitoring.
And hayi ukuthi ngoba bekubuka kahle bafuna ukubona i-faults.
Bakhona ukuthi like kwenzakala like ziningi izinto.
Balindele into enhle.
Ziningi izinto ebengizenza yabo mina ngifuna uqaba mangala like impilo ingihambishile.
Yeah.
Yabo after that breakup nje like impilo yami yangihambisha ngazama not to heal. Yabo ngibe busy. I feel like that's like the other thing engenza like ngathi ngiyangena ngiyaphuma kuma relationship ngiyaphuma. Until ngizongihlangana noNtokozo nangesikhathi ngangalindele ngaso. Yabo ngakuthi yabo lama relationship aqala ungalindele. Ibona vela alast. And ngifuna uqamba as much as we do fight sometimes, but it's like he made me realize a lot because it's like those are fun and I'm ingakho sometimes we like give it a soft spot because I understand like he's like me, he love hard and enjoy he go hard akafuni like
afuna lutho ngayo
akafuni lutho ngami as much nami ngingafuni lutho ngayo so but if izinto engifuna ukuzenza ngibuye sometimes uthi ngayi ngoba esukungivimbela it's like you wanna make sure it's like it's the right thing akafuni ngiphoxeke afuni ngilimale you understand so it's about that
and ama breakup ayakushintsha indlela ocabanga ngayo like kufana nokuthi mina ukuthi I don't like speaking about it
yeah
but kuke kwenzeka ukuthi ukwi relationship uthande kakhulu kanti uthanda umuntu wrong
kukhona umuntu
kodwa futhi uyitshela ukuthi lo usofa silahlane kanti lutho
ukuthi thina abantu besifazane siyakwazi ucreate into engayona
yes
bathi umuntu umbone lo muntu ukuthi like maningi ama red flag but umenze
abelento
oyifuna
which
is so wrong because manje meselibele create is like uya to go back you were aware
and you want to convince ingqondo kunzima ukushintsha ingqondo
because uyayibona leyo nto ukuthi ngathi lo
uyakhala lo
ukuthi yena ngisho ubona ukuthi no yabo lo muntu ukubona uthanda lo muntu ubona ukuthi I don't think we're gonna get married like
exactly mina nawe
ngiyathanda ngenhliziyo yami yonke but there's something deep inside of me engitshela ukuthi yabo wena no you still gonna like because mina ngiyazazi obviously what I want so obviously it's not me like it's like I know you love me and now I love you but it's like I feel like you're just waiting for that day
yebo
ukuthi nje for that day ingakho
by the way guys siphuza iwayini inkinga ama glass iwayini
so awekho shilile guys
ukuthi liwayini ke sikwazi ukusho ngoba basponsor
abasponsor manje panicking
Win with MTV Base at BET.
Win
with the all-new Xiaomi 14 Ultra for 34,000 rand. All you gotta do, keep it locked on your favorite shows on BET and MTV Base. When you see a strange QR code, snap a pic, hit the link, and boom, you're in. Keep your eyes on our socials because you might be our next giveaway.
there's no fucking there's no sugar
oh ngicela
wait usho mina futhi good morning clear love your beautiful skin sanibonani bochomza ninjani ma we ma ngiyatatazela ngilethe ibhadi lethi isicefe ngisebenzisa lo clear ngazi noma nayibona face wash leya clear sebenzisa yona nje Stella Sami we uthanda pants sebenzisa yona Stella Sami guys let me dampen my face ngaze ngalate we guys yo ngifake ngisebenzisa yona guys le face wash ngibuza nje isikhumba sami sasihle kangaka sakhiwa kangaka uclear wema enye into kanje kumele niyeke umona musukuba nomoya womngane wakho guys yele yona Iyekeni. Ayisandawo. Hayi bo we guys. Now TikTok utrenda ngo-Russia. Nizwe indaba yama-Russia. Sesicishe sathathwa ama-Russia. Hey, Nkosi. Sengikwenza ubuso bami guys, ngase ngaphuthuma. Ngiyayimantisa yo. Bengisamtshela-ke guys, we guys, ubuso abuwayipha, buyambambathwa. Niyabuhlukumeza ubuso bese nithi neyikhumba ezimbi. Buyambambathwa ubuso guys. Buyambambathwa kahle kahle futhi ubuso akumele ngabe ngisho ukuthinta ithawula leli ngithinta ama-germs guys. Kodwa sizothina. Kodwa nje guys, ubuso buyambambathwa abusula ngathi usula umzimba. Ngibeke ithawula lami la. Hey guys, asenzana ama-Russia afuna ukusitshontsha. Aningitsheleni kahle. Ngilokho ngithi ngiyayiyeka le ndaba ngiyayiziba. Step 2 sami guys ile toner yakami. Azi noma ngithi ile toner yaka clear guys. Step 2 sami i-face care. Awe manje umsindo leyo moto. Seduze kwayimoto phela mina. La ngikhona. Wasiba negoli we. Ufuna negoli we. Hey, owazi uyazi ongazakazi. Just forget about it. Yo. Guys, akike baleke njengomqala. Wenze skin care, umqala ubalekile. Ngaze ngayisebenzisa ithona yami. Ngiyenza ngisho nasemva umqala ngoba angifuni nje ukuba uthukhala ngisho emadlebeni. Ayisuka phela manje lento. Ukuthi ngiyikhiphe guys. Gas lento. Uclear ungisponsorish. Ulindeni. Ndaba zama-melting band. Ngazi ukuthi kakwenze njani. Faka ithoni emadlebeni guys. Faka ithoni emadlebeni. Kuhle emva kwamadlebe ngithona guys. Yo. Mina njani? Akhuhlwa. Ngiyadlala. Ngaze ngithi nginensini. Yo. Adi, toner. Pelile isikhathi sakho. Uyimoto kodwa. Nayi ku step 3 guys. Ilo cream ngazi noma ngiyakhohlwa guys. Content. Ile 3-in-1 day cream yaka clear. Step 3 sun guys ebusweni. Yona le glow ke. Khona la phuma khona iglow guys. And I mean uyangisebenzela ngiqamba uyangisebenzela clear. But niyazi kodwa phela guys ukuthi yonke into inama season. So ukufike kahle kahle mina ngiceba make it into ezibangayo yabo ngoba uyashini moisturizer khona isikhumba kuyabonakala ukuthi ugcobe ungaphashi. Ngesama nje ngijwayele ukuyisebenzisela iphosha Lokuyisana nje uyaqala nje zathi November phinde laphosha winter ngithi clear bese step ses4 ngifaka le tissue oil yaka phosha guys. Nje amaconto amabili amathathu. Tissue oil awudingi phela ukucobezela ngathi uyigwinya. Faka amafutha egwinya ebusweni just Leo glow nyanya. Clear, love your beautiful skin. My outfit yam OOTD. Share in coats yaka legit blue elaka Mr Price. Bese kuba yicathulo ezangare. My OOTD yam guys. Ngiyakwenye into somewhere ngifuna unitshela ngoba nene ithanda indaba angikho happy kodwa ngale baca ngenzile la ekhanda ngathi ngitshekile.
And she wrote a book, What is Your Financial Type? You have a type, by the way, and we'll get to that in a short while. Therefore,
Sawubona? Oh, that's nice. Siyabonga, like right khona kodwa sebekhona. It's better to be on time. It's better to be early than to be late. You don't want to be sorry.
But it needs work. Show up. If you feel like you're not ready, you're not investment ready, find companies that can help you to be ready. But opportunities are there. Get your house in order so that you can get to the money. It's a lot of money. I don't want to be theoretical and start painting a picture of how the allocation looks like. But a lot of money in South Africa is sitting in the middle. A little bit of it is sitting where most businesses are, which then means very few businesses are going to get to the money. That means we need to be clear on the other side that, okay, let me get my compliance, let me get my market, let me fix my things, let me be an investment ready or funding ready business. For the colleagues I work with, but it's something that you have to do it. And please, ladies, you cannot build alone. You need an army of people around you. Because as an entrepreneur, you forget important things. But if you've got a team that will help you and that will work with you, that will share the vision with you. I don't know anyone who says, hey, there's this new phrase, I'm self-made. No one is self-made. You are made by people. Somebody gave you an opportunity or somebody believed that you can do it and they made a decision. So it's very important. This self-made mentality, it limits us. Get other people to work with you so that they can share.
Okay, thank you very much. And thank you, Heidi, for reminding us of Tilly. That was a woman, that is for women. And
a POS machine. I can tell that most of the people in the room are entrepreneurs. We are able to offer that.
Kaitenya masukana le makgarebe sepolosa dikwatsi ke nna setlogolo sa ga ba masekela ba sekela ba itaredesia ba re ke ba mam nyam 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 nyokololo ba go nyamisa ba re felesetšang kopa o gayo nya fela ga e ja ga felesetše ga re bogane ke mothepe mwa ba kwena ba ile letlhaka ba raka ba metse ya mvuvu ngumakhasane ngumgasela silo samanzi. Until next time, make sure social media, Afri Masterclass, you want to be there and call a friend.
So many times I don't know what to believe. Mama say it's my fault. It's my fault. I wear my heart on my sleeve. Niggas best I put my heart on ice, heart on ice, 'cause I can't breathe. I'ma put my heart on ice, heart on ice, give them the best of me.
Sanibonani, my name is Tepi Somthethangana Mogela with channel yami, and if you're a regular daily at T Squad, thank you so much for coming back by. And if you're new in this channel, welcome. Please subscribe to become a T Squad. Wazibane goli wena. Ufuna ne goli wena. Goli wena. Goli wena. Guys, let me show you a goodie bag. Ngitholekile event ekade ngikuyona, and sorry guys for uqala i-vlog yami late, like introducing my vlog late. Bekubusy, bekukuningi, bekuhectic. Kuningi, and ngiwan, I'm just a girl. I'm just a girl. Life is lifing right now. So excited, shame. Sithole. Le. Oh, guys. Goodie bag. This is a good bag. Ever? Guys. Hey, serious goodie bag. How's the man you're guys? Hey. Good nanyendo. You like him, but it's fine. Fine. Gathola. Kate pamphlets. Yeah, Lana. Ooh. Oh, that's nice. Alrighty. And I hope nature of child, guys. So taller Africa, bunny. It was a master class, guys. Basically master class, guys. That's all her name. I think it's chocolate, guys. I think it's chocolate, Lona. I think it's a bar. Nalo chocolate. That's all you yaga empty. Forget about it. What's this? Inlay, guys. Inlay. Oh, I think ilama abafaka kanje. Ama mask abagqoka kanje abafana. Sokubona ugqoka abafana yini guys, ayigqoka kanje. That's so nice. Let me try and wear it. Cilam. Good. Pumanga. Guys, event bekumnandi ngi-enjoyile. I was with my bestie. Nakuka. That's right. Shaka Jack Conscience was out. Yo, so hectic, shame. Yeah, guys, I mean, event, it was all about business, women in business, upcoming artist, guningi, and nibonile nani ngivlogile bekumnandi kukhona abantu guys kukhona abantu hey ngazi ngizothini mina ngazi guys le event I was so excited namanje ngithi mengibuka ngisho ukuthi I'm grateful to have friends abangicabangayo when it comes to these things nje guys, like mina ngiyena umuntu wabantu ngiyena umuntu wazi abantu, but my friends nje bahlezi angifuna ukusho kuningi. Ngibonga ngiphezi angiphezi shima. It was so nice. It was a nice event nje. As guys, le vlog yodi iyaqhubeka iphela ukuthi I don't know what I'm doing, but right now I have a client, so nje kuningi and ngiwan, and I don't vlog mina nama client ami ke mina ke nje. One thing about me, my social media is my social media. Ama client ami izinto engafani lezo, so angiphuthume ngoba 30 minutes uzobizela. Ngiyanthanda izwana, ngiqhubeke nisubscribe le vlog yami yokugcina nibukile nayithanda, niqhubeke ke nale nenze njalo. Push guys, love you.
Get your life, little mama, won't you get your life on?